Okay, good evening. It's episode 3 of the lawnmower choke lever saga, and last night we left it like this. I'd screwed and glued it together. The glue is now set. It's lovely and firm. So all I've got to do is just mill it a little on either side, just to get rid of this little step dealy here. Won't take long. Oh, and as I say, most of my videos, remember, there is no music in this workshop. I don't allow music to be played because it distracts from the general ambience of the place. Right, so we'll mount that into that chuck. We'll mount that. I'll try that again. We'll mount that into that vise, and we'll do a spot of milling. Right. Okay, we're all set up, and let's do some milling. Well, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, turn it over, do the other side. Okay, time for the other side. Don't forget, there's no music at all, you're just hearing things. Well, I think that is spot on. I do. I really like that. Right, get that rubbed down with a little bit of something, just to clean any surface marks off, and then we're ready for fitting it, I think. So there you go. That's that done. Hope you've enjoyed watching me make it. I'm now going to fit it to the lawnmower, and I'll take a couple of stills when I've got it on. I can't video myself fitting it to the lawnmower because there's not a lot of room at the moment round by where the lawnmower is, so I'll have to climb over stuff to get to it. But well, yes, I'm quite pleased with that, and if it works, I'll be even happier. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and no doubt we'll chat again soon. Bye for now.